Ramzan is the most famous festival of Muslims, and it is celebrated in the 9th month of the Muslim calendar. It's done through the practice of fasting from dawn to dusk and not eating anything. And the practice ends after namaz, where people eat with their friends and family, and it's called the iftar. The whole concept is to reconnect with your spirituality, and I think that's a brilliant concept. But the fact that we are going to a place and it's far away from here, and today we are going to shoot for one of the most famous locations of Ramzan, it's raining cats and dogs. And if we don't reach there on time, I think we'll all be wet. Mumbai has a take on everything, including Ramzan. And there is only one place that comes in my food for thought center. Muhammad Ali Road! How do you get here? Your landmark is the beautiful Minara Masjid, shining bright lit in lights at this time. And as soon as you get besides it, the irresistible smell of kebabs and roast meat will be your GPS. The best time to come to this place may be post 7:30 if you don't mind the crowd, because then people break the iftar and the street comes to life. So hang tight, you hungry hogaholics and bookaholics. If you have lost your appetite, I have got it for you. Come on. Hey circuit, क्या खाएगा रे तू?
अपन तेरा डिश खाएगा ना भाई.
Strange as it sounds, our very own Sanju Baba has a dish to his name. Not only this, it's said that Sanjay Dutt himself gave the recipe for this famous dish. If that's so, I guess Ranbir Kapoor must have eaten this before he started the Sanjay Dutt spy of it. Let's get started with this one now. So I can feel the essence of Sanjay Dutt in this. This dish has a different taste, even though the oil content is pretty high, but the taste is, it's kind of roasted and it trickles down your neck like pepper. Along with that, if you order a side round of Shami Kebab, it's like an icing on the cake. Perfecto. Now let's meet the owner of the place, Mr. Khalid Hakim. कैसे हैं Khalid Mia? He's the owner of the restaurant Noor Mohammadi Hotel, and now that we have had the Sanju Baba dish, let's ask him about it. ये डिश संजू बाबा ने खुद ने आपको दिया है?
मेरे तरह की एक डिश है नली निहारी.
अच्छा, नली निहारी.
वो मेरे बाप दादा फोर फादर के टाइम से चला रही है. वो बहुत शौक से खाते थे.
अच्छा.
हमेशा रेगुलर मंगाते भी थे. अब एक तो मर्तबा आए भी हैं वो, तो उन्होंने फिर ये डिश मुझे दी थी कि ये मेरे नाम से बेचो.
ये हुई बात. खालिद मियाँ, थैंक यू सो मच. खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट था. आपसे मिलकर बहुत खुशी हुई. दोबारा पक्का आएंगे हम लोग. प्लीज डू विजिट द नूर मोहम्मदी होटल. इट्स अ स्प्लेंडेड होटल एंड टू बीट संजू बाबा से नली निहारी डिश. इट्स अमेजिंग. संजू बाबा के हाथ का खाना भी खा लिया और इफ्तारी भी देख ली, तो क्या कहते हो, कुछ मीठा हो जाए? For giving a piece of mind to the world, we have Superman. For giving the world a piece of the sweet, a whole lips packing sweet, we have Suleiman. These guys have been around for 81 years, delivering people the sweet tooth they wanted. Now let's eat sweet. Enough talk, now let's eat sweet. Ramadan is known for three musketeers. First being Malpua. This is made up of egg, rabdi and milk. Consider this a meetha paratha. Huge, sweet and delicious. This can be really bad for your health, but really good for your taste. The right amount of crunchiness and chewiness and sweet. What else do you need, bro? It's really hot today. Even the malpua is considered hot when it's served. You can see with all the sweat, this is not a cold thing to have like other sweets. But I think it being hot is what makes it more delicious. Having this, इससे मेरा दिमाग फिरनी गया. फिरनी से याद आया. We come to the second musketeer of Ramazan's sweet buffet. It's called the firni. Let's get to it. Firni is sweet, has a simple, light, milky texture. Basically, it's light on conscience, light on stomach, and light on the wallet. surprisingly, it being a sweet is not that sweet. Maybe it's for people who like subtle sweet. Unlike me, who likes sweet. This is amazing and I'm already full. But I guess we must move on to our next dish, the third musketeer, pretty soon after I gobble this beast up. We are ending the Suleimani special with a Ramzan speciality. It's called the Aflatun. Basically considered the 5-star of all the sweets. This thing melts in your mouth when you have it. Wanna see? Aflatun is a special dish known for Ramzan. It's made up of milk, sugar, egg and mawa. Mawa being the magic element. Now that the Suleimani Keeda is at an end, मीठा खाने का कीड़ा तो अभी चालू हुआ है. The only problem in Mohammad Ali Road is यहाँ हर नुक्कड़ पे भुक्कड़ है. I am full to the gills right now. And if I sneeze out, I'll probably take out 3 courses meal from my nose. But the only thing that I have space inside me for is the cooling, sealing and chilling masala milk from Nurani Milk Center. Served in cute chilled bottles like these, you can take them home just to relish them later. Now that you know how this cute little bottle looks like, let's meet the big daddy, the Vergescurian of Mohammad Ali Road. So finally I got to meet the Vergescurian of Mohammad Ali Road. इस ये जो आपका कितना लीटर पर डे आप प्रोड्यूस करते हो मिल्क?
4 से 5 हज़ार लीटर रोज का हो, मतलब क्या कहें ना, अमूल वाले को वारना वाले को सबको हमने सिखाया ये बनाने के लिए. वो 0 फेट बनाते हैं, हम फुल फेट बनाते हैं. ये 2 दिन चलता है, वो बाकी वो मतलब क्या कहें 1 महीना भी रखेंगे ना तो चलेगा, उसके अंदर फेट ही नहीं होगा.
As you can see, it's really hot here. We're inside the godown जहाँ पे पूरा heating process चलता है. So I think to cool down, I want a bottle of butter masala milk for myself. एक bottle.
Yes, sir.
I am really excited. Let's see how this better than Amul milk tastes like. इसमें केसर का स्वाद एकदम निखर के बाहर आता है.
जी.
एकदम बादाम भी है, I think इसमें.
बादाम भी.
You will contemporaries like Amul produce the same thing, but this is so rich in flavor. And on top of that, this has fat. So basically the milk that you have at home may be mixed, adulterated, but this is thick, luscious, vicious. All the milk lovers out there, get this one. For sure. So drinking this is such an amazing treat because you get to chew the bits of badam in between as well. All the milk is on my mustache. I'm so sorry. So right now we're gonna move to some other destination to find some other delicacy like this. Till then, stay tuned. Now that we're approaching the end of the entire food yatra on Mohammad Ali Road, why not make this edibles frenzy a little more interesting and introduce what every homemaker in India loves, jalebi. But not any jalebi. This shop is called the King of Mawa Jalebis. What do you say? We pay this king a visit? Apparently this is an old shop. On the face. This is basically mawa which is derived from the pure milk of cow, and after mixing this ingredient into this, it's churned a lot so that it becomes thick, and it's then put in the oil where it's fried and served to people hot and sweet. Again, the hot gravies might burn your tongue, but as soon as the aroma kicks in into your olfactory nerves, Agni Pariksha. Totally worth it. Maybe let's know more about this. आपका नाम क्या है भैया?
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद हुसैन.
मोहम्मद हुसैन जी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत स्वाद है. ये कितने साल हो गए आपको इस दुकान को?
लेकिन यहाँ पे हमको हो गए 15-16 साल.
एक मिनट. यहाँ पे आपको कितने साल हो गए?
15 से 16 साल. ये 15-16 साल चल रहा है जी. हम
15-16 साल, मतलब मेरी छोटी बहन की उम्र का ये दुकान है. और कितना किलो मावा आपका पर डे जाता है?
देखो, पर डे मावा हमारा ऐसा रेगुलर जो है 50-40 किलो मावा निकलता है.
40 किलो
जी.
मतलब मेरी बहन के वजन का इनका मावा जाता है. मेरी बहन की उम्र का दुकान है. आप मेरे साथ कैमरा में एक चीज़ बोलिए मेरे पीछे. इट्स मावा लाइफ.
मावा लाइफ.
इट्स ऐसे. इट्स मावा लाइफ.
दिस मावा लाइफ.
इट्स मावा चॉइस.
दिस मावा चॉइस.
ये वो स्वैग. थैंक यू सो मच भैया. बहुत स्वादिष्ट था. मैंने बहुत ही अजीब सा बनाया, बट फिर भी थैंक यू सो मच. एंड लेट्स गो. आई एम टायर्ड. लेट्स गो. So now we are proceeding towards the exit because we are done with today's today's food journey. It was very tiring but really lip smacking tasty. I'm really tired, so is my crew and me, my team members. I'm sweating like hell. So we are proceeding towards the gate now. Okay, I admit I look like a freaking walking fridge, and the less I talk the better. But everything apart, this place is a heaven for everyone who has a taste tooth for non-veg and sweets. Do pay this gastronomical concert a visit. Shiv Sagar fans, are you out there? I think you guys should give this place a miss. The only thing you need when you come here is a strong willpower and a big bloody belly mites. Okay, this is Upashu Singh, and Burpitup rates this place 4.5 out of 5. Do not miss this place. We'll meet you next time, another food journey. Till then, bye-bye.